Hello, and welcome to Foraging and Cooking with Kids. If you go foraging for food in the wild, be 100% sure that you pick the right kind. Use books and apps to make no mistakes. And kids, never eat anything out of the wild without asking your parents. We are foraging for dock, also called curled dock, narrow-leaf dock, yellow dock, and sour dock. Dock grows almost everywhere. Roadside, the edges of woods, meadows, and shorelines. The flower stalk grows from the base with soft leaves, but usually curled up, but now they're dried up. The flower stalk is growing up to 3 feet and is clustered with seeds where the flower was. The seeds are brownish red and is laying on a little petal. This time we will take the time to collect the seeds and make flour substitute out of it. I take the seeds off the stems and clean the seeds out from all the leaves and the stems that you have only the seeds left in the bowl. If there are some leaves in between, it's not a big deal. They are edible too. Then you roast them for 20 minutes on 150 Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. Let them cool off and then we start grinding them into flour. I used a coffee grinder. One more. Good job. A little more. One more, and then it's enough. Okay, put the lid on. And push. Ooh, look at that.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Another.
We are mixing our dock flour with normal all-purpose flour for baking today, but you can use only dock flour. It is just a little different taste. It's a little bit more bitter and it's a little bit more dense, but it's absolutely possible. Use it for what we do today as zucchini bread or banana bread, where it's a little sweeter, but it definitely works. We are using today 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of dock flour, 3 eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 cups of brown sugar, 3 cups of shredded zucchini, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice, and a 1/4 cup of sourdough discard. And optional are 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and sugar and cinnamon for the top. First, we're mixing all the wet ingredients and then the dry kind. Maybe I'll put the spices in. And the dock flour. Some people use the dock flour also as coffee substitute. Let's mix that first.
Whoa, what is that?
And now, Mabel, could you help me?
Yeah.
Wait. Now, flour. The nuts.
No.
And what's that, Mabel?
This.
What is this?
No, chocolate.
Chocolate, that's right. Good job, Mabel.
Harrison has to help me.
When he comes from school, okay?
Okay.
Mabel buttered already a 9 by 13-inch pan.
Oh, see. It's coming. It's sipping. Mommy, bubbles are sipping. Bubbles are sipping.
And we're tapping our top with a sugar and cinnamon mix. And we're baking it on 350 Fahrenheit or 177 Celsius for 45 minutes. Perfect for the fall season. Zucchini bread with dock flour. You can see the little seeds inside of it from the dock flour, but it is very soft and very juicy bread. Next week we're collecting nanny berries and we show you how to prepare them. I hope we will see you next time with foraging and cooking with kids. Please like and subscribe to see what the wild can bring you.